Hello, dear grape growers. Welcome to the Homestead 365 channel. Today we will learn together with you step by step how to tie up grapes for the first time, how to tie up young vines, when to do it, what to pay attention to. I will show you everything. Watch the video until the end. Useful tips await you. Let's get started. Grapevine. Training for the first time. That is, tying and shaping the shoots for the first time, is a very important stage that greatly affects the healthy growth and productivity of the vine. Below are step-by-step recommendations on how to train your grapevine for the first time. 1. When should it be done? In spring. Usually from late April to early May, when the shoots have grown 20 to 30 centimeters. The weather should be warm and late frosts should have passed. Second selection, choose the strongest shoot. From the young vine, choose one strong and upright shoot. Other smaller curved shoots should be pruned away. 3. Tying, training. The selected shoot is gently bent and tied to a support like a wire or stake, using enough soft string. Don't tie it too tightly. The shoot should not be compressed as it grows. If the shoot is tied at a 45 to 60 degree angle, it will yield more fruit later on. 4. Care. After training, the vine should be watered adequately. If pests are visible, spraying against pests is recommended. As the shoot grows, new buds will appear. Unnecessary lateral buds should be thinned out regularly. Useful tips: use nylon string or special vine tying tape for tying. Check weekly and continue guiding and tying the shoot as it grows. If the vine is being grown in a 2-shoot system, then 2 strong shoots should be left. If your grapevine is young and it's the first year, the main goal is to form a strong and healthy structure. Careful and correct training now will help ensure abundant harvests in the coming years. We hope you liked our information. Subscribe to the channel, stay healthy.